Hi guys, today I have two models in my hand for the review. First one is P51. They are these both are models are fully die cast. First of all, if we see the P51 model, it's 1/100 scale I think, and it's a good model. Before going into the model, if we see the history of this plane, I want to tell you guys the basic history of this plane is P51 is basically designed for British Air Force, Royal Air Force for the Second World War. It is designed by Americans. Further, it is used in the Korean War, and uh, further in late in the Second World War, when US get participated in the war, they use the same jet against their enemies, and it is predicted that approximately 5,000 German aircrafts and their allies have been shot down by this P51 aircraft. So if come to the model, if you see the basic details of the model, uh, they are very clear. You see on the wings the main effects and the stickers and the paint. It's not a sticker, sorry, it's a paint, it's a fully paint, and it's a good model. I have this model in my collection approximately 18 years, for about 18 years. I just got this model in 2000, back in 2004 or 2003 I think, and it is still with me. I have lost its tanks, I think fuel tanks or bombs. I think they are bombs, they are not concept of fuel tanks at that time. These are the hard points for the bombs, because this P51 also act as a can be used as a bomber plane, and can be used as a can be used in a dogfight. For the boat, it's a multi-purpose plane, and one of the latest technologies of Second World War. If you see the cockpit, we have no pilot in it, but it's total glass type or semi glass type material we have with the cockpit, and rest of the plane is good. These, if you see these tires, these are jammed, these are not moving. And if you see, I think that maybe loosens because of time. It's about 18 years now, and you see the fan, it's moving, it's moving. And this is all about it's this is the sticker here. We got, this is the sticker, this is not the paint. However, on the wings we have the paint, we do not have the stickers, we have the paints. But here on this side we have a sticker. This little part is sticker, and this upper part of the US Air Force insignia is of the paint. This C5 is also a sticker. Only this US insignia is paint, rest of the all logos are sticker on this side. Here if you see this writing, let's zoom it, uh, hurry home, horny, whatever, it is also a paint, it's not a sticker. And this is all about it. Tail number is also a paint, and it's a good model overall. It's a good decoration piece for your shelf, for your collection shelf. If we come to the next model, it's the F-14 Tomcat. If we see the history of F-14 Tomcat, it's inducted in 1970s, and I think first independent dual engine project for the US Air Force or the US armed forces. The history, operational history of this jet is not too much strong. These jets are used by Iranian Air Force against Iraq war in 1980s 18 eras, and used by US Air Force as a replacement of F-4 Phantoms. Uh, till 2006 it was one of the major airplane in US Air Force. In 2006 it was retired by US Air Force, and the jets, the planes are placed as a decoration or as a statue in some places in the US. If we come to the model, we have these wings are moving. Actually, in the actual plane these wings are moving, but in this model it's a total die cast, but these wings are stiff, they are not moving. It's a total metal, it's a total die cast with upper body only. You see this with the upper body, these wings are die cast. This upper, both the tails are plastic. These flaps are die cast, and this lower part is plastic. These tires are plastic and still not moving. Missiles are plastic, as you see. The finishing is not so good, it's so but at last it's a model, and you can place it on your table or somewhere, because its size is 1 by 44. It's very small. You see from this side it's very small. It's, you see, it's a very small size jet. You see that, if you see on my hand, it's a small size, 1 by 44 size. It's a die cast, but it's a good piece for a table, or good piece for a side table of your bed. It's a good thing. And this is all about for today, and thank you. Take care.